Here's a VS Code trick that will blow your mind. Trust me. So let's say if you're working on a project and it's running on localhost. So in my case, it's 5173. But in your case, it might be 3000, localhost 3001 or something like that. So this project is working on 5173. But if I want to share this project to anyone, online, then it's not going to work because the localhost is only going to work in my machine. But there's a nice feature in VS Code. So if you open your VS Code and if you go inside your terminal and see this option that is ports, so just click on this one and just select forward a port and then add your port number on which the application is running. So in my case, it's 5173. So I'm just going to add this port number right here, 5173. And if I just press enter, then it's going to forward a port for us. And it's going to give us this link for this particular port number. So if I just copy this link and if I go back to my web browser and if I add this link and press enter, then now my project is gonna be available to anyone who's using this link. So this is the most easiest way that you can use VS Code to make your localhost project online and just share it to your coworkers, your clients, just for testing purpose. And it's just gonna be awesome. So that's the most beautiful feature of VS Code that not a lot of people know about. But hey, it's my job to let you know. So thanks for watching this video and follow me for more amazing content. Thank you.